Hello students and welcome back to your online class. Today I am going to teach literature to the students of standard 7. This is lesson number 9, the blue umbrella. Now first of all, let me tell you about the author of this chapter. Ruskin Bond is the author of this lesson, who was born in Kasauli in India. He wrote his first novel, The Room on the Roof, when he was just 17 years old. And then he wrote over 100 short stories, poems, and essays, and about 30 books for children. He received the Sahitya Academy Award for English Writing in India and was also honored with the prestigious award Padma Shri. So, the famous writer Ruskin Bond has written this, The Blue Umbrella. Now, let us see The Blue Umbrella. This chapter is all about this umbrella. A girl named Binya had an umbrella, the blue colored umbrella, which she liked very much. And she always wanted to have it with her. Now, what is that you value the most? Is it a toy, a photograph, a piece of clothing, or something else? So, you all know must be having something with you which you like very much, and that is a prized possession of yours. So, similarly, Binya also had a blue colored umbrella which she liked very much. So, Binya belonged to the part of Himalayas known as Garhwal. So she lived in the Garhwal hills, and one day she chanced upon a group of picnickers. So a group of picnickers had met her, and one of whom gave her a pretty blue umbrella. Binya grew very fond of it. So she started liking that umbrella very much. Binya seldom closed the blue umbrella. Even when she had it in the house, she left it lying open in a corner of the room. So in the house also she never used to close it. Whenever Binya went out, whether it was to graze the cows or fetch water from the spring or carry milk to the little tea shop on the Tehri road, she took the umbrella with her. Okay, so these all she used to do: graze the cows, fetch water from the spring, carry milk to the little shop, and she used to walk on the Tehri road. And always she had the umbrella with her. That patch of blue silk, sky blue silk, could always be seen on the hillside where she used to carry it. The villagers used the Tehri road to go to the market town. Some used the bus, a few rode on mules, most people walked. Today, everyone on the road turned their heads to stare at the girl with the bright blue umbrella. So, everybody used to look at her. Binya sat in the shade of a pine tree. The umbrella, still open, lay beside her. So that day what she did, she sat down in the shade of a pine tree, and the umbrella, still open, lay beside her. She cradled her head in her arms, and presently she dozed off. So she felt a little sleepy. What happened then? It was that kind of day, sleepy, warm and summery. So she felt little sleepy, and she just closed her eyes for a while. And while she slept, a wind sprang up. And that time a wind came with a force. It came quietly, okay, swishing gently through the trees, humming softly. So the wind came making sound, and then it was joined by other random gusts rushing over the tops of the mountain. The trees shook their heads and came to life. So that time when the wind came and it was blowing, and she also felt the wind in her cheek. The trees shook their heads and came to life. The wind fanned Binya's cheeks. Okay, so the wind was soothing. She could feel it on her cheeks, and the umbrella steered on the grass. So everything started moving, a bit because of the force of the wind, and the umbrella steered on the grass. So the umbrella started moving on the grass. And then what happened? See, Binya, you can see Binya here. See, the wind will carry the umbrella along with it. The wind grew stronger. See, as the wind grew stronger, picking up dead leaves and sending them spinning and swirling through the air, it got into the umbrella and began to drag it over the grass. So it was dragged, the umbrella was dragged on the grass. Suddenly it lifted the umbrella, the wind, lifted the umbrella and carried it about 6 feet from the sleeping girl. So the girl was sleeping, Binya was sleeping, and the umbrella was lifted up. The sound woke Binya, and the sound of the wind woke Binya. She was on her feet immediately. Immediately she got up, and then she was leaping down the steep slope. She was just leaping, on the steep slope. Why? Because you could see her umbrella, flying with the wind. But just as she was within the reach of the umbrella, the wind picked it up again and carried it further downhill. So again the wind came with the force and it lifted it up, and then it was carried further downhill. Binya set off in pursuit, and the wind was in a wicket. So she set off in pursuit, and the wind was in a wicked playful mood. But see, immediately she woke up. But the wind was in a wicked playful mood. It would leave the umbrella alone for a few minutes, but as soon as Binya came near, it would pick up the umbrella and send it bouncing, floating, dancing away from her. So as it was, Binya was trying to get the umbrella, again it was picked up by the wind, and then it again moved away from her. The hill grew steeper. So there was steep hill. Binya knew that after 20 yards it will fall away in a precipice. So she knew that after this it will become more steeper, and then it will be very difficult to get the umbrella from there. So she was trying hard to get the umbrella as she could, because very steep rock face or cliff, very tall one would come there, and then it will be very difficult to get the umbrella from there. So she thought of getting it, but it was becoming very difficult. Then a fresh gust wind picked it up and carried it to the very edge of the cliff. Then it balanced for a few seconds before toppling over out of sight. And what happened? As it was going, a fresh gust of wind came and it was carried, and it was carried on to the very edge of the cliff, and there it balanced for a few seconds before toppling over out of sight. So, and then it toppled over, and then it was out of sight, and she was unable to see now where it went. Now at this time, Binya thought of getting it anyhow. See, now Binya was not seeing that how difficult it would be to get it, but she thought of only getting the umbrella by any means, and then she started waking up. Then, so children, today till here I will continue with this chapter in my next video. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.